Today we're in our new listing on Clyde Hill. It's a great builder that we've worked with for several years, Little Home Renovations. This is the 6th home that we've done with her, and we're here today with Samantha Victor, who is our co-broker and representing this builder. Samantha, what are some of your favorite things that Erin does in her designs?
Well, one of my favorite things that she does, it's a bright, open concept. It's very livable space, thoughtfully designed a way that she would want to live in a home, where she closes off her mudroom area so you hide the mess. And mixed metals. You'll see some of that in this home that's tastefully done that matches the tile choices.
Yeah, and I really love when she makes her hardware and fixture selections. She goes for practical, of course, and function, but then she also adds those surprise elements too. So like the hand-blown chandelier in the dining room, the wallpaper in the powder room is really fun and kind of whimsical. So she always has a few surprise elements too that buyers seem to really react really well to. There's so much to love about the kitchen. She really went a step beyond the appliance package that you'd normally see. She did 2 additional beverage fridges. She did refrigerator drawers for juice boxes, snacks, kind of all of those things that will really help, the convenience of daily life. And we really love the baking station in the walk-in pantry. It's just a really fun element.
And the yard space, you have a level front yard and backyard that are both visible from the kitchen area. There's a complete dog wash outside as well with hot and cold water.
We love dogs in this house. There's actually also a darling kind of cozy nook downstairs for the puppy dog, so it's really cute. She's very good about using every single space in the new house when she designs them. So from adding an exercise room to what would have just been kind of unfinished storage space. She did a beautiful rec room with a huge wet bar and a walkout right to the front yard. So amazing space, tons of daylight down there, and it's a really fabulous environment. Another thing that Samantha and I really love is the builder put in a La Cantina pocket door. It's a definitely very expensive installation, but it gives you a lot more natural light into the kitchen and a huge view of the backyard. So let's go check it out. So easy to open, you can literally open it with like a finger. And then it just opens right up to the outdoor kitchen area with the grill, and we just love this space, even on a rainy day.
Thank you for touring with us today. If you have any questions, give us a call.
Now get out of here because we have more work to do.
Does it ever get less awkward?
No.